Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala
Has given us verses, blessings, so we can be in condition and healthy situation. And don't forget salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has guided us from the stupidity era to the clearness of our Islam religion. Okay guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Farhan. You can call me Farhan. I'm from 10 Network Engineer. Today I will give you an IT tutorial. Today we will discuss about firewall. What is a firewall? Firewall is a feature or system that can filter access with filter rules and forwarding packet NAT so that the firewall function can run well and correctly. We have to add appropriate rules. There is a feature in the firewall that can make firewall rules run well and correctly. Namely, this feature can determine the type of traffic that will be managed in the firewall menu. And each function and the firewall have different chain options. Firewall function to protect our the firewall function to protect our router from attack, combination from the internet or from clients, and can also protect the network from other networks that are still on the same router. Okay, in the firewall, we have three chains. The first chain is forward. Forward is traffic packet data is only pass the router and go to the internet. For example, we connect our router to internet and we use the internet from router and we access YouTube. That is the traffic data. And the second chain is the input. Input is traffic packet data. Yeah, go to the router. Uh, Go into the router. For the example, you ping in from your laptop to the router. That's the example for chain input. And the last chain is output. Output is traffic packet data. Who what from router to the from router to the laptop or from router to the internet. For the example, our router ping to our laptop. That's the traffic packet data of output. Okay, let's we continue to go to the lab. The first lab is input block inbox. This in this lab, we want to block client who want access our Winbox, our router OS with Winbox via Winbox. Okay, we go to the tutorial. I minimize my facecam first. Yeah, but we go to Winbox. Winbox. User is user. The password. That's the previous video. My previous video, I directly what we discussed about user management. Previous video. We continue
Assalamualaikum
video to the
warahmatullahi
our lab.
wabarakatuh.
The first lab is block access windows. Windows
Salatu
access. Okay.
wassalamu
The
ala
uh,
Okay,
first
let me
things you must do is you go to IP and go to firewall and you go to filter rules. Filter rules.
IT
And you
tutorial
can
video
add
in this IT tutorial. We
and
talk about
the traffic packet data we use is chain we use is input because we go to the router. Our laptop go to router is the
point
chain is input and the chain is input and we change to the protocol of
ada versus default,
protocol of the
second
Winbox is TCP
network, and the third is
and we change the destination port.
okay.
Destination of port of Winbox is 8291 and if you don't know if you don't know the port you can see in the system
configure the static routing
in IP service you can see in there. There is so many port in here. You can see Winbox port, you can see Telnet port, you can see SSH port, you can see webfic
you can
port
see the IP route
there,
the
and you go to action.
active static is free.
Action is drop.
The gateway free gateway and
Yes,
the first is
drop.
for
So
the
the we read the configuration is there is packet data from laptop to the router. The packet data is
okay.
Winbox
Next,
and the action
what
drop.
we do
So the client cannot
we explain that.
log in to our router via
I
Winbox
first.
like that. Apply. Okay. So we try.
We
Disconnect
in previous video configure
and
the
we
static routing
choose our
use
router
the network destination.
fill
The-
use
what
login
is
and
network
password and
destination?
enter.
That is the
Yes.
destination
You cannot
that you
enter
put the
our
network.
router via Winbox
That zero
because there is
zero mean
rule
zero
in
slash,
firewall
24 example. So slash 24
not
is
there is no permission to the client
54
who want
56 valid
access router via Winbox. And this rule is what works when you use
so the zero
IP
mean
address
is,
when you log in.
you
If you use MAC
can
address,
use,
you cannot. You cannot.
one
Then this rules is
until
cannot work.
20
Okay, we try.
and
We use MAC address to log in to
the
our
IP.
Winbox
So
and
all
enter
the IP is included
this
in
scan
the
because
network.
this rule is
So if
work
you
when you
add the
use
network again,
IP
example that
address.
we change
This is the lab, and we continue to the another lab. The another lab is
sample 20 slash
input block access
the
telnet.
gateway is still same.
This is the same like you block Windows.
We got back
Yeah.
again.
You go to IP firewall, and you go to filter rules, and you add configuration, and you change the chain. Same like a Winbox, we input because telnet is same. We access our router is the traffic data is chain, and the traffic data is input because laptop
Success.
access the router
The 20 is one range
and the protocol is TCP
to
like
the
a Winbox
IP
and the difference of
that
Winbox is
IP 1 and 2
in the destination port. This the port of
dot
the port of telnet is
valid IP of the prefix. The prefix is 24.
33,
The 24 is
23,
24 prefix is
23. And the
1
action
until 200.
drop.
54
Yes,
valid
we read
IP.
the configuration is
Okay.
there is
After the
traffic
network one,
data
we
from
add the network
from
that
laptop to your
specific IP.
router, and
The specific IP
the data
we
is
use
the
the
traffic
only one
data is
IP. Okay, example that
client login
we
via telnet,
IP
and the action is drop. So we not have permission to uh,
we
access our
delete
inbox via telnet. And
maybe
then apply, and okay.
the red one.
We try to log in via Windows, via telnet.
We first ping the red one.
We go to Windows R, we go to GMD. After that, we
Okay, then
we what write comment to log in via telnet. Tell
yeah,
and
that
write our
that connected,
IP and
and we delete the
one. Enter.
no,
Sorry,
we don't delete lah,
this.
just
You just wait.
aspa.
Just wait.
Number that's number 4.
So if like this, it's already cannot.
Nah,
He
the
always
number 4 is disable.
loading because
Testing.
connecting to 10.10.10 is called not open connection to the host on port 23 cannot pilot. Connect as pilot.
We try to specify IP. Maybe we
Because
the IP address
in
of
the IP file rule, there is rule not permission client to access router via telnet. Okay. And we
the 10.
continue to the another lab. The lab is input block ping.
Now we add that IP to the root. Okay, we try IP
And in here,
IP root.
we will block who ping to the our router, who client ping to our router. So when the client ping to the our router, it's scattered.
We not use the traffic because
The result will the result is
at the
timeout. Will timeout.
the gateway is
This we make the rules, operation the rules. We go to IP, firewall, and filter rules, and add here. We go to general and change.
we can test ping
Change
to the
to input. Yes, ping to the router like I said previously.
but if we
We
ping to the
yes the traffic data is input, and the protocol not TCP. Ping is
that
the protocol is ECMP.
we add the specific
ECMP.
so
Protocol
we add
ping
the
is
IP root
CMP, and
that
the action
introduce
is
only the
drop.
IP client
Okay. We read the
that only the
configuration.
IP.
There
The
is
router,
traffic
we
data
not add it.
go to the our router. The traffic data is
We only
ping,
add the specific
and the
IP.
action from our router is drop. So there's a permission for the client to ping our router. After that we apply and okay. Okay, we try to ping to our router. We go to Windows R, CMD.
But you don't
After that we ping to our ping
Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah
enter.
wahdahu la syarikalah wa asyhadu anna
Request
Muhammadan
time on.
rasulullah.
Why we get the request time on? Because there is rules from firewall cannot the client cannot ping to our Windows to our router. Okay, just that
So
the lab.
we can be in the condition
Okay, we go to the another lab, the last lab. Input block.
Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who has given us
Okay,
stupidity
the lab is input
openness
block is
in era Islam religion. Okay.
what if there is client
before is before I
If there is client,
tutorial for you, I wanna introduce myself.
there is client
My name
ping to
is
our router
Alan
can get
Abdul
written
Manager.
in the log.
You can call me
But the
Alan.
name is
I'm from
maybe it's
Sintekan.
people ping,
Today,
maybe it's strangers.
I will
Just that. Okay, we go to
tell you
the
or
configuration.
a
The first
tutorial
step
about
is you go to IP,
full
the firewall, and you go to file
we
filter rules,
already
and you go in add in here,
configuration
and you go to
IP address
general,
in or
and the
PC
chain is
and
again
Ethernet.
and again is
And we
input.
continue the
Because ping is
configuration
traffic data
for
input
the
to our router or from the
IP
laptop
route. This
from
is the
laptop
two router
into the router.
and TCP
The protocol is
part
ECNP, like a previous
first
lab, and action
you
is
open the
drop
you open the TML.
and the table of log
And the third
with
one
checklist.
that I mentioned is
Log traffic, we
Yes, you
fill
firmware
this in the
station
name of
7 day
what
the
is
log.
default routine.
Which
That
first
default routine is
yeah, you put this
0.0.0.0/.
stranger.
and
What
So
is the
we read
requirements
the
that
configuration is
maybe we are
traffic. There is traffic packet data to the our router from laptop to our router. The packet data is
you wait
ping
one
and the action is drop
maybe 1 minute
and
or
then
2 minutes
get written in the
because
log with the name is stranger.
the pin or the
Like,
firmware
okay, so we
make the
try to ping to our router. You go to Windows app, CMD,
include
and you
in
ping to the
0.0.0.
IP router
Okay,
10.10.10.10
we
dot
connect
1
all
and enter.
we continue
The result
video
will
today.
request timeout. If there is role, not permission to the client, one ping to the router. And we can see in here in the log, you can the log, and there is log stranger input in all the other two is
IP route
its protocol is CMP. There is client ping to our router. It get right in here in the log.
we use
So
Already
we
want
administrator we the administrator we can see in here. Oh, there's client ping to our router.
160
You can see in the log. Right here.
100
The activity in the router will can get written in the log. All of activity. Maybe you configure an IP address can get written in here. Your configuration filter rules you can firewall not manual. You can configure all of the router you get written in here. By user role. Filter rule removed by user role. Filter rule add by user role. Can see that. Yep. Okay.
14 dot
Okay,
100
maybe that's all for me, guys.
41.
Thanks for your attention.
Listening
I hope this video is so useful for you, so beneficial for you. And last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
is